Hey girl, hey, long time no see. Oh my god, I cannot believe it's been 5 years. Like, I'm literally like, what? So much has changed. So much has changed, but I'm so glad you guys are still here. Subscribe. And what we're gonna do is do some eyebrows today. I just wanted to give you guys a new updated look for my eyebrows, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please enjoy, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment. I like talking to you guys. I like talking to people so much. So leave me a comment, you know, like the video, share the video, whatever you may feel in your heart. Hope you guys stay around so you can see my uploads, because I got some stuff coming for you guys. I'm not playing. It's real. It's real and it's going down. So if you want to see how I achieve these easy under 5-minute brows, stay tuned. So yes, we're going to start on these brows because, as you can see, they're just very bare and we're not going outside like that. So this is an updated brow routine for me, 2021, and it's basically super duper simple. I'm all on trying to get things done quickly and achieve the look without taking forever. And I know brows can really take long, especially when you're perfectionist on your brows like me. So what I did is, as you know, a lot has changed in 5 years since my last upload. So I'm really happy just to really just show you guys some new things, new content. I'm a mom now of 2 boys, so things have changed for me. And so, like I said, things are moving at a quicker pace. So in the mornings or whenever I need to do my makeup or a quick routine, I need something simple. So I created a line called Apple of My Eye Cosmetics. This is one of our eyebrow pencils, and I love it. I absolutely love it. This is the color Chocolat is the name, and I specifically made it to be dual-sided. As you can see, this is the side for your brows, and I wanted to have a spoolie on it because if you're on a go, you don't have time to have all these tools, you know. So it's just a 2-for-1, which really was important for me. So I just want to show you guys how I achieve my brows now with using my brow pencil. It is available on appleofmyeyecosmetics.com, where you can purchase it. Different shades we have 4 different shade ranges, all very creamy. They glide well. They're just easy, beginner friendly. You know, even the most advanced experts, whatever it may be, is very easy to achieve a beautiful brow. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. I just wanted to give a little backstory on the tools that I'm going to be using, etc. I'm also going to be using my Juvia's Place concealer to clean up. I love that concealer. It's really good. And then also like a little brush like this to buff it out. So we're going to start off on this side with the spoolie part of the brow pencil. It's really soft. So just go ahead and, you know, groom your little unruly brows. Try to get them like in the same shape going up, you know, getting them ready to fill in. And here's the brow pencil. I've been using this one probably for about 3 months, and this is still left. So it's a lot of product in here, which was important to me as well. As being a makeup artist and everything, I look at a lot of different things because you want to save your coin, okay? And if you can save your coin and have something that's going to last you a long time, I'm all for that. So I was trying to do everything possible to help the girls out and, you know, just do something that makes sense. We're going to go ahead and start outlining our brows. I always start with the front of my brows. That's just me. But we're going to start in the front and then just kind of pretty much mimic the shape of your brows. I really kind of have somewhat full brows. They're not really full, but they're full enough. So I just basically follow the shape of them like this. So as you can see, I'm just pretty much shaping them and going to fill them in. That's the easiest way to describe it. And then take it towards the top. As you can see how easily that's gliding on. So important. I can't stand chalky eyebrow pencils. I hate it. They dry out so fast. No. So I took my time with choosing this formula. So just keep filling in your brows. You can do whatever arch you want. As you know, mine's kind of have a little arch anyway, so I'm just pretty much following that. And that's what I do with my clients as well. So same thing. And then if you want, you can take the front of the pencil and just kind of stroke up if you want a little bit more hairs in the front. That's just an example. And being that you kind of have your eyebrows completed a little bit, you could just take your spoolie again and just brush out that line in the front so it's not super harsh. We hate a square, harsh brow. We want to make it cute, simple, you know, kind of feather-like. So as you can see, I'm lightly just combing through the brow, spooling it up. And then if you need to go and fill in a little bit areas that may have gotten removed, you can do that also. So I'm just going to do this right here because this is a lighter part of my brow right there. So, and as you can see, I'm barely touching my brows. So that is really good too. So you don't have to use a lot of pressure, which means you don't have to use a lot of product. So that's key. And what is this, like a minute or two? It's literally super quick. So I'm kind of satisfied with this brow. So I'm gonna start on the next brow. So let's fill this one in a bit. I'm right-handed, so my right brow is a lot easier for me to fill in. I don't know why. Leave a comment if that's how it is for you too, our right hand ladies. So just doing this like that. This bang, girl, that bang is in the way. Okay, so our brows are fully filled in, you know, very simple, a good everyday brow and everything. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Juvia's Place concealer and I'm just going to just clean it up a bit. Something simple, something light. I'm just going to take it directly from the tube and do that. So okay, so that's complete. This looks crazy. You know we're not gonna keep it this way, so we're gonna go back and, you know, blend this all out so it's just easy and cohesive. I'm just gonna take a little stiff hairbrush like this and basically just kind of clean it up a lot nicer underneath the brow, you know. And as you know, we're gonna blend down. Always blend down. Make sure you're keeping that brow somewhat crispy. Okay, so we're just gonna blend this down like this. I like to go a shade or two lighter underneath my brow, just so that way you don't have like a halo brow where I feel like your brows are floating in midair somewhere. The shade that I use in Juvia's Place is shade 12. FYI for color reference there. You could take the little bit extra that you have left and put it on your lid right there. So also I like a brush like this because it just, like I was saying, like this, sorry. But a brush like that because you can just buff it, you know? And it's just gonna glide on like butter, baby. Butter. So, and that way you don't have to use too much concealer. So that way your eyeshadow doesn't crease if you're gonna wear eyeshadow. Okay, girls, so this is the finished look of the brow. This is just an eyebrow tutorial today, but we're gonna come back with a lot more heat. We coming back with full get ready with me's, Q&As, just some vlogs, some luxury, black girl luxury unboxing. We're doing a lot of stuff over here. We're changing it up. You know, you get older, you know, you start to know that you want the finer things in life. So what's going on with me is I'm going to be changing a lot of things, and it's going to be different content. So tell me what you guys want to see. Like, if you guys want to see mommy content, you know, my boys are 8 and 1, so just let me know what you want to see. And I'm here for it. I like to do different things to challenge myself also. And you know, if you want to see marriage videos, I don't know if you guys know this, but I've been married for 8 years, and so I got a lot of little insight for you girls that I can always help you all with, like if you guys have questions about it. So I'm just here and we can chat in the comments and different things like that. But I'm excited because we're going hard. We are going hard with the content. It's gonna be more frequent uploads, and I'm just excited because this is really my passion. I love helping people. Like, that's my passion, and I really want to just give people tips and a little bit of insight, because like I said, if you can't help somebody with something, you don't know how much that can change their life. It's been so many people that's poured into my life and, you know, have helped me with different things, endeavors, and with my business. My business has been going strong now for 2 years, going on 3 in January, and I'm just excited. I'm excited for what's next to come. I'm excited for the future, and I just want to bring you all along with my journey. So I hope you guys enjoy everything, and let me know what you guys want to see, and I'm here for it. So just stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, subscribe, hit your post notification bells so you don't miss an upload or anything like that. We're going to build a little sister circle here, so my beauties and everything like that. And so yeah, see, I forgot to tell you guys, I was just going to top it off with my lip gloss right here, and this is the lip gloss I'm using from Apple of My Eye also, and it's the color Victory. Really pretty. My friends always say this is a perfect brown girl friendly nude. It has a little bit of specks, as you can see. Really pretty, really pretty. Can't wait to see you guys in the comments and everything, and we are going in, you guys. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and everything. Stay safe out there. See you guys in my next video.